Alright, here we are with the panels, the left and the right. This controls the radio volume. Okay, here. Scroll it up. Scroll it down. There you go. You can press home. It goes home, goes back home. And you can scroll it left or right by sliding your finger here. You can see the movement. It says you sway your finger right or left. That's the functionality of that. And going here to our speed controls, cruise controls, you can set this via target or a limit. You can see there on your panel there, I'm set to speed, cruising speed. Not, and if I put it down, LIM there, it will become LIM there. Right there you have your temperature, your time, and you can scroll it as well. Scroll the panel there. You can see this square button here. Shift up there, shift up there, slide it up, slide it up. We'll change to the different modules. There's your odometer. We have been traveling for 9 days now, 1,926 from the North Island. And scroll it. Here's my speed, bigger speed, so I can see if I'm over speeding. From the start, constant, and this one's important. The range of your fuel. Very, very important. See, now my fuel's more than half. There you go. There's your temperature there. Okay, and that's about it. And here's the speed control, cruise control set. You have two movements. Slide up is 1 kilometer, and going up, full up, is 10 kilometers added. So when you set your cruise control, now you can see I've set the limit LIM 30 km/h. I press it up. See there, a gentle up is counting up by 1 kilometer. Up, up. A full up will increase it by 10 to the nearest 10 there, by 10. I'm pressing it full up. Full up. There you go. See? There. So the speed limit will become 60. Right. But most of the time I'm using this one. I'm setting the cruise speed. I'm always setting the cruise speed, not the limit. Okie dokes. And when you're cruising, you can just press the cancel, this left lever here. Check, and it will cancel the speed that you have set. So I don't, if you mastered it, I'll just use my, while I'm here driving, set it up, check, check, speed to 100, speed it up a little, slide up, it will go up by 1 kilometer added each click, and slow down, I'll push it down, full down, and also slide down, -1. Slide down is -1, and full down is 10, -10, -10, +10, +10. Little one, the gentle 1, 2, 3. There you go. So that's how it works. Very, very helpful. It helps me not step on the gas and the brakes most of the time. Just use this for cruise control. And that's your Sprinter 2019. Awesome car, awesome car. Also gives you those brake assist there. There you go. That's a auto sensor for the sides. If there's a car beside you, the triangle will light up there. Okay. And you have your panels here, air conditioning. There you go, air conditioning for the back and for the front. So you have two controls, one for the front and one for the back, raising up temperatures, and the fan. This one. Right, you can circulate the air or not, and you have this one for defogging your windshields when it fogs, if it's too cold. Okay. So now let's look at the navigation system of, there you go, EPS system. This is an awesome. So it's turn on. Assistance, yeah, we can see the assistance is on. Active brake system is medium, set into medium. It can detect the vehicle in front. There we go. So blind spot assist, if you turn that off, you turn the blind spot assist off, this is off. There you go, that's off. Okay. So we'll turn it on again. On, choke, there you go, and there it will detect the cars on your side, and that's the signal, that's the symbol there. Right, attention assist, there's sensitive, standard, vehicle, winter tire, acoustics, automatic door lock, rear view camera is on. Right, there you go. Oh, those are good. Those are good. Lights is automatic. The lights are automatic. Your light shut off. There's system. There you go. And that's it. That's it. That's it for us there. Alright. And that is your MB Sprinter 2019 panels dashboard. Wipers, auto wiper 2. It auto detects the rain via the sensors outside. Push button engine start and stop. Right. Awesome car, awesome car. We got this at Samuel Car Hire in New Zealand.